In this lesson, we will solve two-step inequalities, which is very similar to solving two-step equations. Example 1, go ahead and pause the video here. I'm solving for P, which is the number of paint pens, and each paint pen costs $3.15. Now when Hamish goes to the craft store, not only does he want to buy pens, he also wants to buy a canvas, and he only has a limited amount of money, and that's $25.97. So what he buys must be less than or equal to $25.97. Using the subtraction property of inequality, subtract 14 from both sides, I'm left with 3.15p is less than or equal to 11.97. Divide both sides by 3.15, and p will be less than or equal to 3.8. Graphing my solution on a number line, I can see 3.8 here, and all the values less than or equal to 3.8. Now in the context of this problem, it doesn't really make sense for Hamish to buy 3.8 pens. He only could buy 3 pens at the most, and that would make more sense because you only can buy a whole pen. Example 2, let's go ahead and solve this inequality. Step 1 will be to add 10 to both sides of the inequality, and I'm left with negative 9 over 2x is less than 90. Now I will need to multiply by the reciprocal, which will be negative 2 over 9. Do the same thing to both sides. And on my left side, I'm only going to be left with x. Because I'm multiplying by a negative, I need to make sure I do a sign change. And 90 times negative 2 over 9 is the same thing as negative 20. So x is greater than negative 20. Graphing my solution on a number line, if this point represents negative 20, I will have an open circle, and x could be any value greater than negative 20.